upon you. My name is Adnan Husain. I'm director of the School of Religion and professor of history here at Queen's University, and I direct the Muslim Society's Global Perspectives Project. And I want to welcome you all to the start of this new academic year. I hope all of you, your families, loved ones are healthy and safe and coping with the extraordinary circumstances of the COVID pandemic. And I also want to let you know that here at the start of October, we also need to announce that it is Islamic History Month in Canada, a program that started about 12, 13 years ago to commemorate Muslim history and to introduce the wider community to the contributions that Muslims have made to human culture and civilization. We'll be having a number of events this year, as we do annually, to commemorate Islamic History Month, both sponsored by the Muslim Society's Global Perspective Project here at Queen's and also in the community. Firstly, I'd like to remind you that there are a number of ways to connect to us and to find out about these events that we've got planned this year. I hope that you will like our page, the Muslim Society's Global Perspectives Project page, which is on Facebook and /MSGPQU. You can also follow us and follow our events live on Twitter at MSGP_QU. And I hope also you'll visit our website, www.queensu.ca/MSGP. We'll also be launching and relaunching our YouTube channel and look forward to a new podcast that we're developing. In these current circumstances, obviously our events have to be online and we can't meet each other in person. So we're adapting these events to still keep up a roster of engaging lectures, workshops, and so on, and also a podcast as a form that hopefully will be convenient for you to learn more about Muslim societies here, Muslim diasporas here in Canada and North America, and about history, art, and many other topics related to the Middle East and the Islamic world as a whole. I do want to tell you right away about an upcoming major lecture we have on Tuesday, October 6th at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. It'll be a lecture by Dr. Juan Cole of the University of Michigan about his recent book, Muhammad, Prophet of Peace Amid the Clash of Empires. I encourage you to join us through Facebook Live on our Facebook site for his lecture, and there'll be an opportunity for you to have questions and answers and some discussion. On October 15th, I will be giving a lecture called Peace is Possible, Lessons of Medieval Interfaith Relations Among Muslims, Christians, and Jews at 7:30 p.m. And there'll be a watch party here on our Facebook site again of the stream. The most exciting event that I have to announce coming up ahead, and the details will follow soon, is that we will be co-sponsoring a discussion and conversation with Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, the basketball player, the Black Muslim, the public intellectual and writer who's had a fascinating life and remarkable experiences, and will be addressing topics related to month's theme about Black Muslims and their contributions. This will happen on November 5th. Watch our Facebook and Twitter for more details and updates about that. Again, I want to thank you for connecting with us. I hope you're all well. Please do attend these events and stay involved in our social media. We've got a lot of exciting events coming up, and we hope to meet you again very soon online, particularly on October 6th. Thanks so much.